form and fill and eventually manufacture vaccines in our country by Easter of next year.
Riu mwihoko wa Akenya ingi ni ati mwerekero uria warutwo ni President Uhuru Kenyatta wa gutiririra miturire iri irathingithitio ni maruru ma murimu wa COVID-19 ni ukuhanyukio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma kiharo-ini kia Wang'uru Mwea kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga. Njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.
Katho cia mwanya wa Weru wa Nyambura. Tugithii na mbere, munini wa President William Ruto augite ati gutire tafarira yambiriirio ni President Uhuru Kenyatta ikarugama angikorwo a Kenya ni makamuhe mweke wa gutongoria bururi kwambiriria mwaka ukite. Mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga ahuthirite mambura maya gutambia ndumiriri yake ya gwitikirika gwake kirima-ini ihenyani ria kambeini cia githurano kinene turorete. Gathoni wa Njahia ena riboti ino makiria.
Makeriria muingi mambura-ini ma mashujaa kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, atongoria aria maritie mahuthirite mweke uyu gutindika ndama ciao cia uteti ihenya-ini ria kihitahitano kia mwaka ukite. Munini wa President William Ruto agathiriirie maundu maria thirikari ya Jubilee ihotete gukinyaniria kuma riria mambiriirie gwathana miaka 9 mihituku.
Your Excellency, your place in the history of Kenya is not only secure, but it is prominent. Your legacy as a transformational leader in Kenya will set the standard for the leaders that will come after you.
There is tremendous development in our country, and it would be important that this foundation is built on for the future as we move forward.
Na kuona maya ni makinya mabata bururi ukinyukitie, munini wa President augite wira uyu wothe ndukorera thi angikagia na mweke wa kwerera utongoria thutha wa President Uhuru Kenyatta mwaka ukite. Guku nake mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga akirahira gwitikirwo ni kirima.
Your Excellency, I assure you that as your deputy for the last 9 years, God willing, I will make sure that your legacy and the agenda you have set of the unity of this nation and the transformation of our nation under the Big Four plan, together with the bottom-up approach, will take this country to greater heights.
Honorable Kibaki got an accident and could not campaign. You campaigned for Mwai Kibaki. We saw him on a wheelchair in Nairobi. We came with him from Githurai, through Thika, through Kenol, through Muranga, Kirinyaga, Kerugoya, Karatina, mpaka Udhaya. Everywhere, the people were saying, Raila Mutongoria Jamba. So Raila Odinga is a friend of the mountain and has been able to climb the mountain. I thank you.
Odinga ataburite njamba cia bururi wa Gikuyu na itemi riria ciananyita gutigirira bururi ni wehanda na ukorwo na maundu ma kwirahirwo ni njiarwa na njiarwa.
We also remember those Mau generals, Your Excellency, people like General Madenge, Kang'ethe, Kimathi, Kasam Jogu, Mware Mariama, na Baimungu, just to say a few, who are not madmen to take up arms and go into the bush to fight the mighty British Army. They were truly Kenyan patriots.
I also want to call on peace and tolerance during this particular period so that we can work together as a nation and as a people, respecting the boundaries that the Constitution provides, so that we respect everybody in our country.
Governor wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga Anne Waiguru acoreire ageni aria macerete guku uthaka wa kaunti ino iria augete rungu rwa utongoria wake ihotete kwigira na ngumo bururi-ini wothe.
So far we have supported more than 500 farmers groups and close to 50,000 households to undertake various projects under our Wezesha Economic Empowerment Program. Each of the supported households are able to make an extra 1,000 per day under various value chains, which include production of 1 million eggs a month under poultry keeping, tomato, avocado, dairy and fish farming, beekeeping as well as pig rearing.
Waiguru atamburite ati rungu rwa utongoria wa President Uhuru Kenyatta kaunti ino nigunekete na tafarira itiganite na gaturu kohoro ni unyoroku uria itigeirwo thutha wa gutabania mambura ma gikiro ta giki.
The impact will not only be felt by the current generation, but the legacy will live on for generations to come. I recall when you visited Moya last year, Your Excellency, this stadium was just a muddy field, and that required us to wear gumboots in order to walk in.
Ndumiriri ya Kenya njega makiria matuko meguka niyo atongoria aria marite igongona-ini riri matigeire ya Kenya na bata wa kuiga thayu mwerekera-ini wa githurano kinene kia mwaka ukite. Ngiribotera Inooro TV de kiharo-ini kia Wanguru kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga njitagwo Gathoni wajihia.
President wa Malawi Lazarus Chakwera augite meririria make ni Kenya na Malawi guteithania kwa ndandura utonga wao amo mabũrũri maya meri marutirie ndugu yao o kuma makihuranira wiyathi. Chakwera niwe uma mugeni wa gitio mambura-ini ma mashujaa maria matafanirio kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga mari hamwe na mutumia wake Monica Chakwera. Karo Kenyugo wa Mwaura ni aratariria.
Heshima kuu kiharo-ini kia Wanguru kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga kuria mambura ma mashujaa ma mwaka uyu matafanirio mugeni wa gitio niwe President wa bũrũri wa Malawi Lazarus Chakwera na mutumia wake Monica Chakwera matugwo ni munini wa President William Ruto.
Wanapokelewa na mheshimiwa naibu wa rais.
Ni rita ria mbere President wa aracera bũrũri-ini kuma ayukie giturwa giki gia utongoria mwaka muhituku guku akiuga icera riake rirakindira ndugu ya mabũrũri maya meri iria yatumirwo o kuma hindi ya mabũrũri maya kuhuranira wiyathi.
Indeed, it is no accident that the city of Mzuzu in Malawi, the city of Lilongwe in the center of Malawi, and the city of Blantyre in the south of Malawi all have at least one road named after Kenyatta. All this is because the founders of my nation wanted to make it clear for generations to come that those celebrated as heroes in Kenya's struggle for independence are celebrated as heroes in Malawi.
Chakwera uria wirigirirwo kugia na miario ya mwanya na President Uhuru Kenyatta muthenya wa Aramithi ya kuona uria mabũrũri maya meri makuhuthira ndugu ino kwa ndandura utonga wao augite arona matuko maroka mari na maciaro kuri Kenya na Malawi.
I see that future. The future I see for our two nations is